everyone. In the interview series, as we have discussed, I'll be telling you the techniques that you have to use in the interview so that you can make an impactful interaction with the panelist. So there are some of the things that we do automatically, or I would say that we do unintentionally, but they kind of look not so acceptable by the panelist. The first thing is that the use of the fillers. Maximum times that when we want to convey our messages, we use a lot of fillers when we are getting out of the words. So what is the right technique for somebody who has no information about something, or maybe they have less of information about any subject? So better it would be that you can tell the panelists that you are not aware of the subject, or you will improve and learn about more about this particular topic. That is the better way to deal with the situation rather than beating around the bush or trying to act in a way that you know the subject properly. The third is use of hands. I've seen a lot of videos where aspirants are doing a lot of hand movement, which is not acceptable, and it gives the impression to the panelist that you are nervous while talking on the particular subject. So try to also practice this at your home, whosoever has cleared the mains, and also for the other aspirants who will be clearing the mains in the next year. So the practice starts now. It's not too late to practice all those things, and follow me more for such tricks and tips. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.